Hi guys, welcome back to Nestasia, Make Home Special. Today we are going to dive into a colorful and healthy dish that is not only good for your body and soul but also tastes like heaven. So let's see if we can whip up something that combines the sweetness of fruits. So let's dive into it. We are going to start with the kiwi, and fun fact about kiwi is that it's kind of a berry, also known as gooseberry, and I did not know that before. So it also has a very rich nutritional value, very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. So you should always include it in your fruit and diets. So I think watermelon is everyone's favorite fruit during the summers, and fun fact is it also keeps you really hydrated. So now we are going to go ahead and we are going to decorate the whole platter, and we are going to start with our guavas. So we've cut the guavas in a semicircle manner. So now that we are done with the guavas, so now we are going to go ahead and start with our oranges. I'm going to place it like this, and now I'm going to place the kiwis. So here it goes. Now we are starting with the red juicy plums. So we're going to place it in the middle of the board. Now we're going to go ahead with the cherries. The cherries are like, they're going to add a pop of color into the whole board. This wooden board is one of our new launches right now in Nestasia, and these give a very rustic look to the whole table and whole decoration. And I would suggest that you can use it to present fruits, you can use it to present pizzas, you can use it for anything that you want. Fruits, we use fruits because it adds a pop of color and gives a vibrancy, but you can use it for chopping your fruits and vegetables and everything. So it's multitasker. Now we're going to add khatta meetha jamun to the whole platter. It's going to look so great. Now we're going to go ahead with watermelons. I think this is everyone's favorite fruit and it keeps you hydrated. So let's go. So we thought of an idea and we executed it, and it turned out great. So we made skewers, fruit skewers. We added grapes, mango, guava and beetroot. So we'll place it on our board. Our lives are getting busier by the day, and sometimes we don't really get time for ourselves. But always remember, investing in your wellness is investing in your future. So take it slow, cook your favorite meals, stay hydrated of course, and stay healthy.